Today, we're going to learn all about our shapes with Noodles the python. This is a circle. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. This is a diamond. This is an oval. This is a heart. This is a moon. This is a star. This is a pentagon. And this is an octagon. Now, Noodles wants us to count how many corners. How many corners are on a star? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 corners. How many corners are on a circle? No corners. There are 0 corners on a circle. Let's count how many corners are on a triangle. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 corners on a triangle. How many corners are on an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 corners on an octagon. And how many corners are on a square? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 corners on a square.